Welcome to Math Campus. Unbox your math skill. This is Sangeet Balaji from Math Campus. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற டாபிக் rationalizing the denominator. Consider the number 1 by root 2. Here the denominator is root 2, which is irrational. We should remember the square root of any number which is not a perfect square is always irrational. Here 2 is not a perfect square, therefore root 2 is irrational. Again, consider 1 by 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is an irrational expression. Here, the denominators are irrational expressions. Denominatorல இருக்க இந்த irrational number-ஐ rational number-ஆ மாத்துறதுக்கு பேரு தான் rationalizing the denominator. So, how to rationalize the denominator? Denominator-ஐ rationalize பண்ணணும்னா நமக்கு பேசிக்கா ஒரு சில ஃபார்முலா தெரியணும். Root a into root a is equal to root a the whole square, which is equal to a, which is a rational number. Example, root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 the whole square, which is 2, and it is a rational number. Root 2 is irrational. இந்த irrational number கூட இன்னொரு irrational number அதே irrational number multiply பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு rational number கிடைக்குது. Again, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Root 3 is irrational. இந்த irrational number கூட அதே irrational number multiply பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு 3 கிடைக்குது, which is a rational number. We look at few problems now. Rationalize the denominator. 1 by root 5. The denominatorல இருக்க root 5 is irrational. இந்த irrational number-ஐ rational-ஆ மாத்தணும்னா அதே irrational number-ஐ numerator denominatorல multiply பண்ணணும். So 1 into root 5 is root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Our denominator has been rationalized. Next example, 1 by root 7. Root 7 is irrational. Denominatorல இருக்க இந்த irrational number-ஐ rational-ஆ மாத்தணும்னா அதே irrational number-ஆல numerator denominator-ஐ multiply பண்ணணும். 1 into root 7 is equal to root 7. Root 7 into root 7 is equal to 7. Irrational-ஆ இருந்த denominator இப்போ rational-ஆ மாறிடுச்சு. Next example, 2 by 5 root 3. 5 root 3 is irrational. இந்த denominator-ஐ rational-ஆ மாத்தணும்னா the same irrational number root 3-ஐ numerator denominatorல multiply பண்ணணும். 2 into root 3, 2 root 3, 5 root 3 into root 3, 5 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So our answer is 2 root 3 divided by 15. The denominator has been rationalized. Type 2. Next type of rationalizing the denominator பார்க்கணும்னா நம்மளுக்கு few identities தெரியணும். a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. நம்ம lower classesல படிச்சிருப்போம். a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus root b the whole square, which is a square minus root b the whole square is b. The next identity, root a plus b into root a minus b equals root a the whole square minus b square, which is equal to root a the whole square is a minus b square. The last identity is root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to root a the whole square minus root b the whole square equals root a the whole square is a, root b the whole square is b. We look at few examples now. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 the whole square minus 1 square. Root 3 the whole square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Observe, root 3 plus 1 is irrational. In the irrational expression கூட root 3 minus 1 அப்படிங்கிற irrational expression நம்ம multiply பண்ணோம்னா கிடைக்கிற answer is a rational number. Again, root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5. Root 7 the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Root 7 the whole square is 7 minus root 5 the whole square is 5 equals 2. 2 is a rational number. If we observe carefully, root 7 plus root 5 is irrational expression. In the irrational expression கூட root 7 minus root 5 அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு irrational expression multiply பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு answer ஒரு rational expression கிடைக்குது. Now we look at few problems. Rationalize the denominator 1 by 2 plus root 3. The denominator is an irrational expression. To make it rationalize, என்னோட numerator, denominator ரெண்டுத்தையும் நான் 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணுவேன். Which equals 1 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 square minus root 3 the whole square equals 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, which is 2 minus root 3 divided by 1. Initially, my denominator is irrational. Now it has been rationalized. The next problem, 5 by root 5 minus root 3. The denominator root 5 minus root 3 is irrational. In the irrational expression, நான் rational expression மாற்றணும். So root 5 minus root 3 is the denominator. I have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. 5 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3, which is root 5 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square equals 5 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by 5 minus 3, because root 5 the whole square is 5, root 3 the whole square is 3. So my answer is 5 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Now my denominator is rational. The next problem, 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. The denominator is an irrational expression. To make it rational, I multiply the expression numerator and the denominator. If the denominator is 7 plus 3 root 2, I will multiply by 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 minus 3 root 2. 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 is 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So 7 square minus 3 root 2 the whole square, which is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square is 49 minus 3 root 2 the whole square, which is 3 square into root 2 the whole square. 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2. So 9 into 2 is 18. So 3 root 2 the whole square is 18. 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 31. Now my denominator has been rationalized. So if the denominator is 2 plus root 3, I have to multiply the expression both the numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. Here my denominator is root 5 minus root 3. So I have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 plus root 3. In the third problem, the denominator is 7 plus 3 root 2. So I have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 7 minus 3 root 2. This is how we rationalize the denominator. I hope you enjoy this video. To join with our interactive sessions, please email us at mathcampus@gmail.com. You can also leave a WhatsApp message to 9944 103657. Thank you.